Hey guys, okay, so what I want you to do is put in your details here, obviously first name, last name, log in. You're going to make yourself a username, a name that's going to be the on the end of your link. So think about it, something that whatever you associate with. Fill in your country, your email, and then your password. And as you type it out, you can put that on so you can see what you're typing and then retype it. Okay, then once you've done that, then you're going to drag this bar along to it matches there and click on continue. Right, now once you've done that, it's going to take you in there, and then okay, once you're logged in, first thing you're going to do is should be on here under my advertising, and you're going to scroll down, and over here is going to be your referral link now. So copy that and then paste it in Messenger or wherever you like, but somewhere like that. Right, now the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on here on cash back. Now on cash back, you're going to see here get bonus. Click get bonus and you're going to put in the code that I sent you along with the link. You're going to copy and paste that in there, and then this button here, once you paste it there, if it's the first time you've used it, it'll light up and you can click it. Then what you're going to do now is then click certificate, and you're going to have your own code that you're going to copy. So now you will send your referral link and your code to someone and then show them this video, and away you go. That's the first step. All right, let's take it from there. Like I said, free to join, and it's yeah, just wait and see how this goes. I've only just started, but I'll let you know. All right, thank you.